Hi, welcome to Salesforce Textbook. Our topic is Agentforce Service Agent. The topic we are going to cover today is automatic chart reassignment to Agentforce Service Agent when service representative is offline. In the previous session, we had already discussed about how to transfer the chart from Agentforce Service Agent to the service representative. Now we are going to discuss about if we transfer the chart from Agentforce Service Agent to the service representative and the service representative is offline. At that time, I want to transfer the chart back to the Agentforce Service Agent. To do that, this is the outbound flow which is used for escalation process. Now we will do the modifications in this flow. Next we have to add that outbound flow under the connections tab in the Agentforce Service Agent builder. Next we have to add the escalation message. Next we have to add one instruction under the escalation topic. Next we have to keep the omni-channel offline. Next we have to do the conversation. If the customer want to escalate the chart from Agentforce Service Agent to the service representative, then the agent will display the message like, one moment while I check if there are any service representatives available. If the service representatives are not available, then the agent will display the message like this. There are no live agents available at the moment. Like this, it will display the message. Now we will see the practical implementation. Let's go to our arc. But before doing the configurations, we'll check the escalation process. To check the escalation process, we'll open our site URL in incognito window. First, we will keep our service representative online and we'll check how the escalation process works. For that, go to Service Console and click on Omni Channel and here select Available. Now the Omni Channel is online. Go to Site and click on Messaging icon and give the email. Here I am giving my email to display my name in the welcome message. Now, if the customer escalate the chart, now the chart is transferring from agent to service agent to the service representative. Now the service representative will accept the chart and he can start chatting with the customer. Now we'll keep the service representative offline and we'll check how the escalation process works. Go to Service Console and select offline. Now the Omni channel is offline. We'll go to Site. Click on this messaging icon and I'm giving my email. If we want to escalate, now the service representatives are offline, but it is transferring the chart from the Agentforce Service Agent to the service representative. Now I want to transfer the chart back to the Agentforce Service Agent if the service representatives are not available. For that, we will do the configurations now. To do the configurations, go to Setup In quick find, search for flows. Click on outbound flow, which is used for escalation process in the previous session. This is the outbound flow we have created earlier. Now we'll do the modifications here. First, add check availability for routing element and give the label. I'm giving check availability for routing and select the service channel. I'm selecting messaging channel. Check availability for select queue. Here, select our queue. I'm selecting messaging queue. Here in the messaging queue, I have selected the messaging session as object and I have added the service representative as a queue member. Select the output. Select number of online agents and queued work items. Next, to check if the service representatives are available or not, add the decision element. Give the label, are service representatives available? If the service representatives are available, give the outcome label as yes. Give the condition. Output from check availability for routing dot number of online agents greater than 0. If the service representatives are available, then I want to transfer the chart to the service representative. So cut this element and paste here. If the service representatives are not available, in default outcome, give the label as no. Then display the message by using assignment element. I'm giving reason for not routing. And create one output variable. Click on new resource. Select the resource type as variable and give the API name. I'm giving reason for not routing. Give the description. Stores reason for not routing. Select the data type as text. Select available for output. Click on done. Give the value. I'm giving no human agents are available. Save the flow. And click on activate. Next, we will add this flow under the Agentforce Service Agent connections. For that, go to setup. In quick find, search for Agentforce agents. Click on Agentforce agents. Click on Agentforce Service Agent. Click on Open in Builder. Click on Connections tab. Here under Outbound Omni-Channel Flow section, this outbound flow is already added. So next, add the escalation message. Before that, we have to deactivate this agent. Now we'll add the escalation message. One moment while I check if there are any service representative available. Now click on save. Next we'll go to topics. Click on escalation topic and add one instruction. I have already added one instruction. Means if the agents are not available, service representatives are not available, then it will display the reason for not routing by using this instruction. And if we want to do any other actions, means here if the service representatives are not available, then I want to create a case. For that I have added one action. According to our requirement, we'll add actions. Now activate. Click on ignore and activate. Now go to our site and end this chat. Click on this messaging icon and give the email. Click on I accept and click on start conversation. Now if we escalate, here it is displaying while I check if there are any service representatives available. And it is displaying there are no service representatives available at this moment. So would you like to create a case? Before that, we'll check the service representatives are online or not. Here it is offline. That's why it is displaying the message like this. Now if we give yes, it will ask, would you like to create a case? Yes. Yeah, now the case is created. This is how we can transfer the chat back to the Agentforce Service Agent if the service representatives are not available. These are the reference links. Please go through those links. Please subscribe to Salesforce Textbook. Thank you.